To introduce you all to our guest today, we have with us Dr. Vijay Bhagate sir. He is principal at Dr. J.J. Maktoum Homeopathic Medical College, Meerut since last 13 years. He is practicing homeopathy since last 23 years. Professor and HOD of MM Department at J.J. Maktoum Homeopathic Medical College, Jaisingpur. He has been elected as a BOS member in MUHS Nashik. He has conducted and participated at several homeopathic camps at Jaisingpur, Sangli, Bahubali, Ichalkaranji, Kurundwad and many other places. He is a president of Jaisingpur Homeopathic Medical Association. And to honor sir, may I please call upon Dr. Mane sir to felicitate sir and start the program. We also have with us Dr. D'Souza sir, Principal of E.B. Gadkari Homeopathic Medical College, Gadanglas, professional experience of 23 years in homeopathy. He also is author of Essentials of General Anatomy and co-author of Medicine, The Voyage Through Time. He has conducted various seminars in various colleges and villages, and he is an approved PG guide in MUHS Nasik for homeopathic materia medica. May I please request Oak sir to come and felicitate sir. We have with us Dr. Rajendra Methe sir. He is principal of Gulabrao Homeopathic Medical College, Meerut since last 2.5 years. He is having a 21 years of experience in homeopathy. He is Senate member of MUHS since last 5 years. He is member of different community board of study in homeopathy faculty, and he was an ex-mayor of Sangli. May I please request Dr. Dhaulikar to come and felicitate sir. Now we have Dr. Ravi Bhosle sir, who is principal of Savarkar Medical College, Satara, approved guide, teacher and examiner at MD by MUHS Nasik and CCH Delhi, practicing homeopathy since last 33 years. He has published research papers in many journals, and he is felicitated by Sani Guruji Award in 2006. May I please request Dr. Maktoum to come and felicitate sir. Now comes the toughest task of introducing our speaker today, Dr. B.S. Bhosle sir. It's always been difficult for me explaining, sir, just trying to put it in few words today. Dr. B.S. Bhosle, sir, is practicing homeopathy in Meerut since last 13 years. He's also having several branches at Mumbai, Kolhapur, Chiplun, Khed. His OPD is always full of students and practitioners, as you can see, where he is very interactive in teaching them homeopathy and sharing his valuable knowledge with all of us. Sir, in his initial days, had a privilege of practicing and being under guidance of late Dr. S.K. Dubey, sir, where he has sharpened his observation skills even more. Next, sir also conducts lecture series every year at Mirrors, where he conducts a lecture on first Sunday of every month. In these lectures, he covers various topics of organon, MM, and repertory. In this lecture series, we also demonstrate live case takings, where the knowledge that all the students have gained during the lecture series is been applied practically, and they also see the follow-up of these cases in the next seminar within a span of 1 month. Sir had also organized a game show in the year 2010 named as Kaun Banega Homeopath. This was an interactive quiz competition